I'm Arden Rose, and you're watching Adulting, where I show you how to grow up your cooking game. Today we're talking about peppers. We're gonna talk about capsaicin, which is the chemical that causes heat in peppers. We're gonna go through a catalog of peppers, and then I'm gonna show you how to make a delicious, spicy, roasted salsa. Things are getting a little spicy. I've got to choose which pepper I want to use for my salsa. So let's go through some peppers, see what sparks joy. We have this beautiful Scoville scale, which is how we judge how hot a pepper is. Each unit is the measurement of capsaicin within the peppers. First up, we've got the lowly bell pepper. So wonderful, very sweet. They're not gonna destroy your colon. Next up, we've got our Shishito Peppers. 1 in 20 of these bad boys is actually a little bit spicy. So try that out at your local Japanese restaurant. You will not disappoint yourself. We're gonna put you down. Next up, we've got Anaheim Peppers. Hello, what's that? You want a spicy conversation? This guy's beautiful, you can roast him. He's bigger, so he works really well with like fillings. Not too spicy, something used in a lot of salsas as well. Lovely. Then we've got poblano. This packed with cheese and spices and roasted. Ugh, love you. I'm saving you for later. Now we're getting a little hotter. Jalapeno. So everybody knows the jalapeno, we get it, but I think it's time to amp it up a little bit. I am suited up, ready to fight the evils of spice. 2 more things you might want to fight the evils of spice. 1, milk. You want to throw some milk in your mouth as quickly as possible. It'll help dissipate that capsaicin. Water just swills it around and will just burn the ever-loving crap out of your mouth and your throat and your body. So don't do that. Second thing, shove your face with bread. That also helps break down the capsaicin and get it out as quickly as possible. First thing we got, Fresno Chili. This bad boy is beautiful. Like when I think about what a pepper looks like, it's this pepper, am I right? I'm gonna try a little taste of this just to see what the spice level is like. Well, let's just go. Okay. It's delicious. Really sweet, kind of floral. Next up, we've got waxed peppers. I've never tried these guys before, but I'm excited to. I'm gonna do it right now. They're supposed to be a little bit hotter. Let's find out. Oh, there it is. Oh yeah, a little spicier. Lovely though, just a nice little coating of spice. Nothing we can't handle. This is being an adult, right? Now right here, this beautiful little curve, we've got serrano peppers. I don't really have that much to say about it, but I do want to get right in, I want to get right in the middle of that. I want to get a good bite. Oh, nope. I probably shouldn't have been so gung-ho about that. That guy could be in my salsa. I could see that. I mean, he's making me stutter a little bit. Okay, we're gonna move on to a little pepper that I'm kind of scared of, but these guys have earned their place on this plate. My mouth is salivating so much. So this is a Thai chili. So I guess we should just probably go for it. Whoa, that's spicy. I'm tougher than this, okay? Whew. I'm putting myself through this for your education, so you don't have to do this. Habanero, gorgeous pepper. Love the way this looks. I love the way it tastes. If you've ever had habanero hot sauce or salsa, it's a delight. It's wonderful, and it's just like a titillating taste on the tongue. I'm gonna defeat you. Oh, there's a little seeds in there. You know what? It's so much sweeter. It's very sweet. It's delicious. I'm gonna take a sip. Yes, that is a delight. Next, we've got a ghost pepper chili. I don't even know what to say. It's horrifyingly hot. This is where we get into like the genetically modified just so they can be hot as peppers. And this just abomination that should not exist on this earth is the Carolina Reaper. You are not going anywhere near my mouth. This is as close as you are getting. I'm gonna grab my pepper of choice. My hands are shaking because I hate you already. I so hate you. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, oh, God. Oh, wow, I underestimated that. Woo! Yep. Oh, hi, guys. Welcome back. I think it's time to pick a pepper. I'm gonna go with habanero. I'm gonna grab a couple of these guys. All righty, everybody, I got my peppers ready to go. Hey, buddies, I'm about to eat you, and hopefully you won't make me as in pain as one of your cousins did. Since we're making salsa, we're gonna oven roast some delicious veggies. We've got Roma tomatoes cut in half. I've also got quartered onions, and then we've also got 3 cloves of garlic. And these are with the actual skin on, because otherwise it will burn, it will not be good. So we're gonna put all of this in the oven, along with 2 of our little guys. So I'm gonna put these guys right in here, nestled all sweet, so they can all meet. It'll be a real cute time. But I'm gonna save one more because we got something special to do with it. And you know, this is the base of really any salsa you would have at any kind of fancy restaurant. Those are gonna go in our oven, broiling on high for 20 minutes. Now, like I said, we have one little friend left over. I am going to take my tongs and flame roast this bad boy over open flame. It's gonna add a lot of charred flavor. It's gonna blister the skin, which is something that is so lovely. Obviously, the oven is gonna do a similar process to this, but I just wanted to show you what this looks like if you wanted to take it into your own hands, take it into your own tongs, and do it on your own stovetop. Yeah, you can kind of see the blistering that's happening over here. We're bringing the heat again and again. That's right, spicy ass kitchen. And now we just gotta wait for our salsa. Dance montage. Dance montage. All right, 20 minutes and one amazing dance party later. Look at what we've got. Everything has broken down. It's gotten all nice and juicy. So I'm gonna let this cool down for a second. In the meantime, I'm gonna grab some more ingredients. So here I've got some sugar. I've got a lime. First off, cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, apparently like 50% of the population is with you. I really love it. So I'm gonna rip off its head and throw these bad boys in the food processor. And then I'm going to take my lime and I'm going to zest it. So you know, we're getting a lot of depth of flavor from all those roasted vegetables, but I think it's good to bring some brightness back into it with some zest. Now we're gonna juice this bad boy. Oh yeah, I love a lot of lime juice in my salsa. I just think it adds so much freshness. I'm gonna add a little bit of sugar, just a little to balance the flavors. You can always go back in if you need a little bit more later and taste it. Then I'm also gonna go in with my salt. And then I'm just gonna do 1 little glug of olive oil just to break things up a little bit, because I think it'll be nice. I'm gonna throw my tomatoes in, and all of that kind of broken down flavor is gonna come out as a very roasted, deep salsa. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put my 2 halves of onions in. Like, oh my God, look at that. Oh, I love this. Woo! I'm also gonna put my little habaneros in. Throw 1, throw 2, and also I'm gonna chop the little head off of this guy that we roasted ourselves. And our garlic is ready to go. Put roasted garlic in everything. Honestly, like this right here, that's gold. Oh, I just love roasted garlic. It's so, so good. I'm gonna go ahead and start pulsing this. I think that looks good. Make sure all the chunks are broken up. It looks good. Oh my God, I wish you could stick your head in this right now. It smells so good, but look at that texture. I'm gonna go grab a little serving bowl and some chips, and we're gonna try this out. Okay, salsa party commencing. Time for the money shot. Ooh, look at that. Oh my God. You can do this. Like, this is the easiest thing. Just roast the shit out of a bunch of stuff, burn your mouth, roast your mouth, and then you get to enjoy it later. Yay. Mm-hmm. It's got almost like a smoky quality to it that I love for salsa. I'm eating this warm, but you can throw it in the fridge, cool it off, let all the flavors in this salsa kind of marry each other and get to know each other. But it's also delicious, just like this. Oh, yeah. Oh. I'm glad my taste buds still work. You can't stop me. I've already reached the pinnacle of my mountain. I'm untouchable. Whew. Y'all, I'm surprised we made it through this episode. Like, I'm feeling great. I'm feeling like I conquered something. I could be crowned the Scoville Queen. Either way, I'm very proud of myself. I've rewarded myself with this delicious salsa, and you should give it a go too. Try it out, grow up your cooking game, reach new levels of spice, and I'll see you guys later.